Welcome to another simple video. Today I have here a bread that I made about 2 weeks ago, and this is what left of it. Alright, this is garlic sunflower bread. Okay, so instead of throwing out this bread, I am going to make breadcrumbs. So what I'll do now is just break this up into small pieces. This bread is okay, no mold or anything is on it. So instead of throwing it out, you just make breadcrumbs with it. And the good thing about it, you made your bread from scratch, so you know what is in it. No additive, no preservative, like the ones at the shop, the breadcrumbs at the shop. This is your own natural breadcrumbs. Okay. Right, so you're gonna break them up in as small pieces as you can, and then we're gonna put them in the oven. Okay. Alright, so I'm comfortable with this size. Right, you could break them smaller if you want, because the thing is, we want to brown them, we want to get them to this crispy texture, so that we can blend it and get that nice refined breadcrumbs texture. Okay, so the smaller you break them is better, you know, the heat pass through them and they will get crisp even faster. Okay guys, so we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna put this in the oven. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do exactly, you're going to bake this for about 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, right, until it is well done, golden brown, or you know, until it's kind of, you know, dry, have a dry texture. Okay, all right, so we'll just leave that for now until it's finished. Okay guys, so we're going to look and see how brown the bread is. Alright, so as you can see here, it's getting brown, right? So I'm just going to leave it to stay a little longer in the oven. Look at this. This is how I really want it, like this. You hear that sound? Okay, right, so I just turn these over. It's hot. Alright, so I just turn these over to the other side, and I just put it back in the oven for maybe another 10 minutes. Okay guys, so these are ready, right, and already cool. So once the air touch it, it's gonna even feel more firm. Look at this. This is stone hard, right, and this is exactly how I want it. If you want, you don't have to allow yours to be brown as mine, right? Look at this. You could make yours be at this type of brown or color, right? But the main thing is to make sure that they are hard, right, so that you can get that nice breadcrumbs. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna blend these. guys, so this is the first set, right? Look at that. Well, at times you're gonna have a little piece inside there that never blends, but nevertheless you're gonna take it out and add it to the rest. Look at this, right? This is looking so nice, guys. This is what really we want, right? This texture, this nice it kind of feel like cornmeal, right? This is what we want really. So what I'm going to do is just to continue to blend the remaining, or pulse the remaining. Okay guys, so this is the last set of our breadcrumbs. Okay guys, so this is our natural breadcrumbs, our homemade, no additives, no preservatives. You make your own bread, right? And when your bread is old, instead of throwing it out, you could make your own homemade breadcrumbs. You don't have to buy the one from the shop, okay? But if that's your preference, it's up to you. Yes guys, so or you could store this breadcrumbs. I have a Ziploc bag here, right? If you have like a flask, you could store it in that. You could put the date on it, right? Put breadcrumbs on it, and this section is for the date. Okay. If you want this to last long, you can store it in the fridge, okay, in the refrigerator, and it could stay like a couple months. Okay guys, so this is how you can store your breadcrumbs. Well, I'm gonna use this anytime soon, right? So I don't need to really put any date or the name on it. But for you, if you're storing it for a couple weeks or so forth, or maybe a month, you could put the name there and the date to the side there, okay? So this is one way you could store your breadcrumbs, right? Your natural homemade breadcrumbs. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being here with me in the kitchen for another adventure, and see you in another video. Bye.